think I'll get the smaller size out. Hi guys, hope we're all well. Quick little announcement from me. I've launched an online store via Shopify, but all the products are going to be listed on my YouTube channel store that you can see here. There's several digital products planned and coming in the future, email templates, pricing guide templates, things of that nature. But the main reason and the product that is available now is this. See that? Too bright? Drop the exposure down a bit. This is the Wedding Business Yearly Planner. So it's a wall chart that allows you to, at a glance, keep track of your weddings, all your bookings that you've taken, organise your year, your season of weddings at a glance on your wall. It's something that I've always liked to have on my wall to refer to, and I used to buy them from this company that no longer do them, so then I decided to design my own and get that printed out so I could use it. I realised why not offer it on here to anyone else that benefits from a good old-fashioned pen and paper on the wall calendar. So I'll try and pan through some of these features via some B-roll footage, but it's got a space for every single day of the year. It's designated with different colours on the weekends and the bank holiday dates as well. On each day there are 4 little sort of tick boxes so that you can, I've suggested a key for these. So the first tick would be that date has been booked, second tick, paid the deposit, third tick, paid final balance, fourth tick, weddings edited and completed, that sort of thing. But you can assign your own key, so you can tick on that particular wedding, on that particular day, you can tick whether they've paid the deposit, it's just a way to organise that individual date, couple. There's a tally down the side for each month to be able to track your inquiries, bookings and turnover. So at the end of each month you can go through your previous inquiries for that month and make a note, and that's just good data that I like to have. Again, at a glance, that's something I always like to do. Keep track of my inquiries, how many bookings I've took that month, and the turnover. There is a QR code on here to be able to scan and get a digital spreadsheet numbers version, Excel version as well, so you can download a digital copy of this. Average sunset, sunrise times for that time of year. So each month you've got an average idea of when the sun will rise and set for the days in that month as an average. So it just gives you a rough idea that when you go into a wedding, you know kind of what time the sun's going to be setting for, making the most of the light. And yeah, I've tried to think of everything that might be included and might be helpful for wedding professionals, wedding photographers, videographers. But essentially it's just a calendar to keep track of your bookings, be able to see at a glance where your weekends are, where your key dates are, who you've got booked in. Like I say, there's a little key tick box system for being able to tick off whether you've booked a wedding, whether the couple have paid a deposit, whether you've completed the films or photos and delivered them. And there's a digital version as well. So there you have it. And if you want more information on this, it is available now on my Shopify store, which I will link below in the description. But also if you go to my YouTube channel and click the store tab, you'll be able to see the products on there as well. It's available in A2 and A1 sizes. And there is a 2023 version for this year, and there's a 2024 version, so that you can start planning ahead for next year. I'm taking bookings for next year as well, so I like to have this year's and next year's on my wall next to each other, so that I can organise my next sort of 18 months of weddings. There's the 2 versions, the 23, the 24, both in A2 or A1 sizes. More information and close-up images so that you can actually hopefully get a better idea of the design of it on the Shopify link now, link below. And there's going to be more, as I say, digital products coming soon. My colour grading look will be available at some point, pricing guide templates, things like that. So they'll be available soon. If you're interested, let me know if you are in the comments. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.